Okay, put some cheese around. But cheese! In. Okay. Now let's spread it. With this. Okay. Hi guys! Today we made lasagna! Let's start! Now you put the pasta sauce and you put it like this. And now you stir it up. Stir it up. This and this like this. Like this. Like this. No, not now. Sorry. Sesame, and now so we have to put this. Okay. We have to put this on. Now put all this in. Like this. Make sure to put this in. Yeah. Now start decorating it. Don't eat. This is not good for eating. No dude for eating. Okay? Now we start decorating. Put everything with the light. Mushrooms. And there's some mushrooms on the top. Now decorating. Which fits? Oh, that's zucchini. That's really good. Put some. Put. Okay, now have to put the cheese on. Now, you know what we will put? This. Well, first, we have to put this on. Okay. Yeah? Come on. More. Like this. More. Cheese. Yay! Okay? Now the other layer, just one more layer and we'll be done. You'll have to put it in to bake. So just one more layer. Okay, this is the last layer. Okay. We want to add more to the other layer. This is the last one. Very last one. Okay? Really last one. Now put everything what you like. In your, I would like this. Start decorating. Be more fun. Hey, some mushroom decorating. Okay, almost cheese time. Okay, put some cheese around. But cheese! Cha-cha cheese. Mozzarella. Put mozzarella there. There, you want to put some. Okay, last layer. What? Oh, that's good. What? Oh, yeah, that's good. Okay, enough. That's enough. Okay? Now let's put the other one like this. Okay? No, 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 no. No, the other layer. Oh, this layer. Okay? There. Okay! We're done! Let's put it in the oven. Okay? Okay. Alright. Oh. Yay! Mama. Ta. We love lasagna.